Hello everyone, this is my Pitcha Kutcha presentation. I made this one for educational purposes only, and specifically a requirements in the subject purposive communication. First, I introduce myself. I am Jeffrey Sinina Porras. I live in Sitio Upper Talahik, Barangay Talahik, Sorala, South Cotabato. I studied in South Cotabato State College and I take Bachelor of Science Entrepreneurship program. This day is very remarkable day. This is time to introduce myself, background, and it's so very nervous to meet my new teacher in purposive communication, Dr. Jaime Boy Ngag Jr. This day I learned about language and communication. Our teacher gave us reporting activity and different lessons related in this subject. This day I'm studying for incoming oral recitation in next day. I'm so grateful to myself. I got one mistake during our oral recitation. Having dedication with hard work is the best way to achieve our dreams and goals someday. This day I listening to the reporters to gain more knowledge and ideas about their topic. This day, together with my groupmates, making advertising as our requirements in our subject purposive communication. This time, we got tired for making video for our advertising to promote our products. As a business-minded person, confidence and skills is very important for me to deal to my customer better and help me to improve my confidence and skills to be a business owner someday. Meeting together with my groupmates, having a unity and a team is very important to me as a group member sharing our ideas is have a big help to make fast and better our school works and projects. After class hour, when I go home, I make my school works and assignment. I'm studying my some modules and copies to gain more knowledge. This day during Indigenous People Day together with my classmates and friends, we participating in the activities of school. These activities I learn how to respect the some different beliefs in a tribes. This day in General Assembly meeting in school, we participating to know the punishment for those students did not attending the school activities. This time is my reporting in our subject, purposive communication. I'm so nervous this time because I'm not prepared for my report. This time I'm sharing my some own understanding and knowledge about my report. This time, I am focusing to listen the ideas and lesson give us of our teacher to have learnings in this subject. This is the time we are going to promote our program Bachelor of Science Entrepreneurship to be one of us to be as interest to those incoming first year college students of South Cotabato State College. This time, we conduct a meeting together with my groupmates to do our activities, which is blogging. We share our ideas, both of us, to have better and good work. Before the end of our time in purposive communication, we conduct attendance to know who is the present and participating in that day. When I go to school, I'm excited to learn some and different knowledge and ideas from our teacher. I'm so grateful for having a good teacher.